Pescadería El Marisco. Look at these guys. The fish. I found the fish. Chuleta de tiburón. Filet de tiburón. Wow. The fish and the butchers. Favorite, the shellfish, the crabs. Ooh. Frutas y verduras aquí. Nuts and sweets. It's hard to explain, but there's a lot of smells here. A lot of different things I'm smelling. Some good smells, some not so good smells. But it's all part of the experience. Look at this, nuts. Corn. Wow. Vegetables. Oh. I came this way. I'm going in a circle. That's okay. Ooh. Pollo. El Mercado Central de San Jose. So these little counters that they have, oh, queso. Me gusta mucho el queso. Todo el queso. Ooh. If you come to the Central Market in San Jose, if you're not already hungry, you'll be really hungry within about 20 minutes.
¿Qué les puedo servir, caballero? ¿Qué buscan? Vamos caminando para acá. Perú. Perú. Aquí recto. ¿No está dando mandado?
Buenos días.
¿Qué sí?
Hola, buenos días.
Amarillo.
Tarde. Oh. Shoes. Flip-flops. Souvenirs. Costa Rica.
Que pueden pasar.
I walked down there. I walked down there already. I'm trying to walk down different aisles. The sloth is very famous in Costa Rica. I saw some sloths yesterday. Hola, buenos días. Okay. Well, this is a lot of the Mercado Central. A lot of food, fruits, vegetables, different herbs, meat, fish, souvenirs, and a lot of different aisles to get lost in, and a lot lunch counters with some really good looking food, all different kinds of food. That's like a juice and shake bar. And in Costa Rica, una soda is like a lunch counter, a casual lunch counter type place, or small place. Up, back to the butcher. Okay. Just about time to put the GoPro away and figure out what I'm gonna eat. Oh, pastelería, postres, empanadas. Yeah, I saw this. I can't remember what I saw before. I've been here for just about 20 minutes and I'm not exactly sure where I've been. There's so many aisles here and so much good stuff. Ooh, the sun's coming through here. Take a walk down here. I don't think I've been down this aisle because I don't remember it this sunny. This is another little, it's funny, inside of this big market they have little diners, sodas, but to me it's like a mini diner. Deliciosa ola de carne. The driver told me about ola de carne. And here we stop.